2017 Ferrari GTC4Lusso. That the 2017 Ferrari GTC4Lusso is at least 1 second faster around Ferrari's Fiorano test track than the wagonoid FF that it replaces is meaningless. Partly, this is because it's essentially an update on the same car. But it's also because, according to Stefano Varisco, the man responsible for the Lusso's vehicle dynamics, improving lap times wasn't a target for the Lusso development team. More to the point, the all-wheel drive Lusso is clearly a GT car, a machine made for triple-digit sweepers, and deserted highways more than for Alpine switchbacks. Hot laps. They're in the Lusso's purview, but certainly not in its crosshairs. So it matters little when we find ourselves in a parade of tour buses, cyclists, and even sport bikes operating with a churlish disregard for velocity while climbing switchback roads in the Italian Alps. That a Ferrari should be so disrespected on its own turf is astonishing. That this indifference is demonstrated mostly by Germans on holiday is not. Possibly the drive route was chosen by Ferrari in a veiled attempt to highlight the Lusso's greatest virtue, utter civility. Ferraris, after all, are universally wedded to the expectation of noise, soul-scorching symphonic theater. A 680 horsepower V12 powered Ferrari lacking such theater is as contradictory as a black fire truck. Should the Lusso's double pane windows, quieter exhaust, and extra sound deadening still wave the prancing horse flag? Can an old man's Ferrari still be a Ferrari? More philosophically, should it be? The collective heart of the tifosi just skipped a beat. With 4 seats, all-wheel drive, and a screaming 680 HP 6.3 litre V12, it's the best of all worlds. The new GTC4Lusso T swaps the entrancing V12 for a 602 HP twin-turbo V8, and reduces the driven wheels to 2, the ones in the rear. Ferrari claims that he will sprint to 62 miles per hour just 0.1 second behind V12 version. Both models have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic and Ferrari's Angry Wasp design. Safety features anti-lock brakes. ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Side impact airbags for the front seats have been designed to protect the torso during a side impact collision. Pretensioners automatically tighten seat belts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system. The vehicle is equipped with a means of anticipating and/or detecting unwanted vehicle intrusion. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used.